pamilya namin. 5 po kami magkakapatid. Kapatid ko lang po nagtatrabaho.
Good morning to all of you, and this is your Dan Marino Castro. You're watching in YouTube and Facebook in my Ninong TV subscriber. And today's for video, we will have a special tribute for remembering an actor, a singer, and a performer that we truly know here in the Philippines, and that is Mr. Jovit Baldivino. For last week ago, he was reported passes away, and we shocked for that news. And Ninong TV will create a special video blog for his family, for his fans, and this is also a special educational purposes for those who will have an assignment or research after holiday season. Your teacher will give you an assignment or a research. You may watch this video blog. And of course, the title is Remembering Mr. Jovit Baldivino, Ninong TV special paid tribute blog, educational and entertainment in learning Jovit Baldivino's life. So, who is Mr. Jovit and what is the affiliation that he gave here in the Philippines, or his introduction rather, right? So, about Mr. Jovit, was a Filipino singer and actor. He was the first winner at reality talent competition show Pilipinas Got Talent in 2010. Jovit Baldivino came from a poor family living in Batangas. He was born to Hilario and Cristeta Baldivino and had 4 siblings. He used to sell siomai at a market after school to sustain his studies and help his family. Okay, so that is Mr. Jovit. You may screenshot, you may picture the slide while I show you the presentation for your research and educational purposes or homework searching about Mr. Jovit. Alright. For the first episode that you will witness here is his startup in Pilipinas Got Talent, the place that he discovered his talent. So I will show you here his compilation pictures until he become the winner, until he become a formally singer of the Philippine music industry. So you will check it out.
More than being the biggest talent reality show sa bansa, ang Pilipinas Got Talent ay pagkakataon din ng ating mga kapamilya para mabago ang kanilang buhay.
Marami din ang hopeful that their dreams will be fulfilled. And there are some na gusto lang ma-share lang ang kwento nila. Tulad ni Jovit Baldivino na mula sa Batangas.
Baka po ito ng pag-asa ko. May ahon sa hirap ang pamilya namin. 5 po kami magkakapatid. Kapatid ko lang po nagtatrabaho sa amin. Wala pong trabaho ng matindi.
Sobrang mahihain tong si Jovit. Pero sa kanyang pamilya, kinalimutan niya ito at buong tatag siyang sumabak sa auditions.
Ano gagawin natin ngayon, sir?
Surprise na lang po.
Ay nako, 4 or 5 nagsabi na surprise. Walang isa ang nakapasa.
So kung actually sabihin mo na sa amin,
Oo.
para magawa namin ng paraan. Practice tayo, pasok. Anong talent mo?
Please watch me po.
Maraming salamat.
Okay.
Bey, you may go on stage.
Good luck.
Ikaw na. Good luck.
Hi, salamat. Mukhang ito may talent talaga.
Ako, ayan na.
Ito na naman ako, ah. Okay, hi. What is
Hello
your
po.
name?
Jovit Baldivino po.
Jovit. Ilan taon na?
16 years old po.
Nagsuschool ka pa? High school ba ngayon?
Opo, opo.
Anong year?
Bali po, 4th year na po.
Jovit, go ahead.
Ang liit-liit, pero ang laki ng boses. Binuhay ba ang katawang lupa mo?
Tama! Inaantok na ako, pero binuhay mo ang katawang lupa ko, bongga!
Thank you po.
Alam ko that it's so difficult to perform pag meron kang pinagdadaanan.
Opo, opo.
Ilang buwan kong tiniis yun na may sakit ang mom ko, pero nag-work ako and kailangan happy ka, di ba? Pagkaharap mo audience. Umabot sa akin yung masamang balita na may karamdaman ng tatay mo. What is wrong? Anong sakit ng daddy mo?
TV po.
Malala na ba?
Bali po, galing na po ngayon.
Ang nanay mo may work?
Wala po.
Tumutulong ka?
Opo.
Paano ka tumutulong?
Bali po, pagkakalabas ko po sa hapon, nagtitinda po ako sa bayan. Ng siomay po, siomay.
Naiiyak naman ako.
Ako din.
Pero alam mo, magandang example ka sa manonood ng Pilipinas Got Talent kasi tumutulong ka sa pamilya mo.
Opo.
Yes. And apart from that, pinagsasabay mo ang pag-aaral, pagtulong sa pamilya, at ngayon, you're on the road to stardom.
Thank you po.
Anong pangarap mo?
Simple lang po.
Ano?
Bali po, pangarap ko po, makapagtapos po ng pag-aaral.
apart from makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, hinangad mo bang maging isang sikat na singer?
Hinangad ko din po yun kung matutupad po. Pero po, kahit po ako'y matalo dito, okay lang po. Basta po naipakita ko po sa inyo kung ano po ang tunay na Pinoy.
Oo, pinaiyak mo si Friendship. So let's vote, boss.
It's a big yes for me.
Jovit, ako rin, yes na yes.
Ako, isang maluhaluhang oo.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
God bless you, Jovit.
Unbelievable ang boses mo. Alam mo bro, ang na-appreciate namin sa'yo, napaka-humble mo pa rin.
Oo. Ayan ang malayo ang mararating mo sa buhay mo. At sigurado ang pamilya mo, huwag kang mag-alala dahil matutulungan sila. Hindi lang dahil sa'yo, pero sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon, sumusuporta
Anong mensahe mo sa pamilya mo na sigurado pag nakita nila to, mamamangha sila?
Balang araw po, may ko po kayo sa kahirapan.
Well, sa dalawang pangarap mo, you're one step closer. At continue being humble.
Way to go, Jovit! Thank you for sharing your story with us.
Okay, you've just discovered Mr. Jovit on his Pilipinas Got Talent. So that was fantastic. And did you know that me and my family is also watching him for 2 years? Since 2010, we are likely to win. And we also pray that time that Mr. Jovit will be win in Pilipinas Got Talent. And we're happy he got win. We support him because of his great music and his voice. His talent is really strong and really energetic. He can be Bryan Adams. He can be Arnel Pineda. So he can do any variety of high-pitched music. And for the next episode that you will witness is expanding more discoveries on him. So this is the one that we discovered his new name, new talent. We not only know that he came in Philippines Got Talent, but he expand his talent in singing, and he can also do the rock and roll. He's also now a rock legend because he used the guitar. So he used the variety of instrument together with his variation of the talent. So you will check it out, the sing or the more discoveries on him, on how he established more of his singing industry.
Stay on
Okay, thank you for watching for that special variety of vlog, and I hope you just discover and you learn, and it may help for your educational purposes. Pay tribute to your idol, and especially some of the family members of Mr. Jovi is watching today. You may watch this and you may present this also. Last but not the least, we will have the tribute to Mr. Jovi, a special tribute and special salute on his burial. For those who cannot attend the real burial on that place, you can watch the video of this and virtual in afterwards. But of course, I just discovered to Mr. Jovi, he was created more songs, right? So parang gumawa na siya ng maraming businesses. You just discovered on his album, di ba? Ang dami na palang na-produce na kanta. Not only for the revival of the Faithfully, of the Kerry, but he also created some of his own composition, di ba? So parang na siyang gumawa ng businesses or parang SMDC, no? Ang dami, parang 1 to 30 plus yung iba't ibang album that you saw on the slide that I presented to you. So that's also a form of the collaboration or idea. If ever you wanted to download some of his great songs that I presented on the slide, you may copy or you may take down notes of that song, which of the song that he created here in the Philippines that becomes more popular in our Philippine society. So the next episode that you will witness, the pay tribute to Mr. Jovi Valdivia.
You always be
Thank you for watching, and that is the vlog that I created, remembering Mr. Jobit Valdivino, Ninong TV special paid tribute vlog, educational and entertainment in learning Jobit Valdivino's life. So this is also a perfect for our students who will back to school after your holidays, after your Christmas party, and you will get back in school either January 2, January 5, so forth and so forth. And your teacher in music or in MAPE gives you an assignment or a group research, and the topic that you need to discover is about Mr. Jobit Valdivino. You may share this video blog, you may watch this video blog, and like, comment, and share. And for those who really wanted to present and to make things happen while the presentation is ongoing, you will have a reporting about Mr. Jobit. I may download this one for only 150 pesos. Download this one and you may present it on your school presentation. Just PM me on how to avail. And for those who can afford, you may do the screen record from first slide up to this end slide for only 80 pesos. So how simple and how affordable. So you just PM me while watching this video blog and search Denver Ninong Castro on Facebook platforms, and I will reply to you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and for the family and friends, the relatives, the friends of Mr. Jobit, the rock legends who also idolize and support Mr. Jobit through the years. So this is also a special video blog that I created to pay tribute, to salute from Ninong TV of Denver Castro, a video blogger from Philippines, and also a fan. Me and my family is a fan of Mr. Jobit because since 2010 we discovered him, and in the several years we are likely playing his song, and we discover is a lot of work in music industry. And I also inspired and appreciate the talent of Mr. Jobit that he shared to all of the Filipino people, and to spread the education in learning the music and the art, right? So thank you for watching, and God bless all of you. And this is your Ninong saying, like, comment, and share. And this is Ninong TV. Thank you and goodbye. And of course, I just want to share that I also send my prayers and condolences to Valdivino family, and I hope and wish that the rise up was discovered on him. And to the family, of course, I wish for them the rise up that they can build for this one, because losing a family is not so easy, but we need to pray and we need to wish that they can carry, just like Mr. Jobit said, carry, right? So kayanin natin to, and one day we can become happy again, diba? So I hope for Valdivino's family to rise up and still they feel the blessing of the Lord in Jesus. Thank you.